Mas ilailahon pa nato ang mga Batan-ong sa bag-ong comedy, gag, variety show alang sa Gen Z ang Flex nga makita matag weekend sa GTV channel. With us this morning ang Flex leaders nga sila Joaquin Domagoso and Lexi Gonzales. Maayong buntag at welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live, Joaquin and Lexi.
Hi!
Hi!
Hello!
GMA Regional TV. Flex ko lang, tropa ko si Lexi.
Yes, flex ko ang tropa ko si JD. Hi, Cebu! We're so happy to be here.
Ayan.
Maayong buntag.
Buntag, yes. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
And Joaquin and Lexi, pa-shout out naman sa ating mga kapuso flexers dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas na nanonood sa atin this morning.
Shout out sa mga flexers dyan. Have a nice morning. Make sure to drink your coffee.
Yes, mag-iingat kayo palagi. Wear your mask, stay safe, and have fun also, but clean fun.
Congratulations, Joaquin, ha, dahil certified kapuso artist ka na. Kumusta naman yung pagtanggap ng GMA Network sa'yo?
Ang grabe ang pagmamahal sa'yo ng GMA. Iba yung level ng commitment sila para sa'yo as an artist and sa mga projects na binibigay sila sa'yo. And parang grabe din yung trust na binigay sa akin para i-handle yung to become a host of this show.
And this time, Joaquin and Lexi, let's fill our morning with more energy by playing a short game. We'll be playing Never Have I Ever game. So this is very familiar to you guys already. Just raise your 5 fingers and put your finger down if you think you were guilty sa mga
5
sinasabi
fingers
ko.
lang. Lexi.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, baka sumobra ka.
Alright, let's start with the first one. Never have I ever naabutan ng 3 a.m. kaka-cellphone. Second
Para
one.
pantay tayo yan. Yan.
Never have I ever nagka-crush sa classmate.
Wait, all boys school ako.
Ayan, okay. Lugi. Lugi, wait lang.
Wait, college. Kung college. Oh, yan.
Kung college, oo. Third one, never have I ever nakapagbakasyon dito sa Cebu.
Never nga.
Ay, sayang.
Actually, napag-usapan namin kanina, gusto po namin makapunta ng Cebu.
Nice.
Because we
Oh.
wanna try the lechon.
Ay, dapat lang.
Mm.
Ano yung mga gusto
Dapat.
nyong pasyalan dito sa Cebu?
Yes. You know,
Um,
they say, if you eat Cebu, if you eat lechon, it brings you closer to God because with each bite, your heart gets closer to God talaga.
Okay. Akala ko naman kasi it tastes like heaven.
Hindi. Kasi dami
Literal
cholesterol.
pala talaga.
Oo. But yes
Sige
po, sorry.
lang.
Yeah.
Pag makabisita kayo dito sa Cebu.
I mean, wala pa po kaming, like ako hindi po ako familiar pa with places in Cebu, but I'm really hoping to get there para po ma-find out ko yung places and ma-discover ko yung food, kanon, and
Amen.
destination spots.
Sana soon, mangyayari din yan. Alright, next one.
Omsin.
Never have I ever nakasayaw sa TikTok.
Guilty.
Ganito. That's dalawa lang.
And last one, never have I ever flexed my talent during a family gathering. Ayan.
Siyempre.
Siyempre. And speaking of nakapag-flex ng talent, we heard na may bago kaming aabangan sa inyong dalawa. Can you please flex this to us?
Marami kayong makakitang nakakatawang mga skits and of course performances. Yes, kumanta dyan si Lexi, yun no.
Sumayaw si JD.
Yes. Lahat kami po sumayaw at may sarili kaming opportunities mag-highlight ng mga talent namin as a whole squad, sa buong Flex squad, hindi lang mga artista and sa mga na-invite na rin namin na ka-age din namin po. And makita nyo ron, lahat pinapromote namin.
Kaya naman, ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin ng mga flexers natin to join the squad?
just message the official Facebook page of Flex and then answer the questions na ibibigay sa chat, and then just wait for the confirmation email. You also have to put your email, and then Flex will email you for the confirmation.
It sounds very exciting talaga to be a Flexer. Kaya naman, please invite everyone, Lexi and Joaquin, to watch Flex every weekend sa GTV.
Hindi kayo maboboard. You're gonna have lots of fun. Join us, join the Flex Squad on GTV. Sundays lang yan at 8:20 p.m.
At dagang salamat sa inyo, Joaquin and Lexi.
Dagang
Thank you.
salamat din po. Thank you, thank you.
Maayong buntag ulit.